Alright, so you're gonna need chicken, you want trays with rims,
aluminum foil,
Cholula, Chipotle seasoning. Alright, so you're gonna preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, Celsius. You're gonna need a plastic bag or bowl to mix. Click, 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 click. So you're gonna wanna get your chicken ready. I like to just do a quick rinse here. So since I just got these tenderloins, all I have to do is rinse it and put it in my bowl here. So we're gonna start with the sauce here. So for like this amount of chicken, I used like half a bottle of this Cholula. So you wanna put enough Cholula to coat everything and then have like a little bit more. It's gonna soak into the chicken. So if you do it with a bag, you can actually just bag them and put them in the fridge for like, it's kind of hard to overdo the sauce, but you can kind of overdo it on the seasoning. So just kind of like make sure that you have a good amount on each one.
Alright, so when we're putting the chicken on this tray, we just want to make them all even, so then they just cook evenly, so then they're all done at the same time.
Alright, so don't forget to wash your hands because it's actually a big deal and you can get really sick. So I really want you guys to wash your hands like I'm about to do. And you don't want to touch anybody. Make sure you wash your hands so then nobody dies. Cross-contamination can really get you sick. Alright, so now that we have the chicken laid out, so I want to bring out another piece of tin foil, but we're gonna make a little tent. There's no real good way to do this. So I was just like trying to make it work. So I tried to grab onto the sides, but the one I have here, like I made it too short, so I couldn't really grab the edges with it. So we're gonna put the chicken in at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. So what you can also do to make the chicken a little bit better and not burnt on just one side, you can flip them in the middle. So like at the 10-minute mark, you can do a flip. And that's it. Look at those things. I hope you try it. Subscribe for the vibes.